Gentlemen, chinos should be your easiest win after 50. They're clean, they're versatile, they're effortless. But here's the problem: most men are wearing them in a way that quietly makes them look older, heavier, and less sharp without even realizing it. Not because chinos are bad, but because they're worn wrong. The fit is off, the length is off, the way they're styled is off. And those small mistakes, they change everything. But once you fix them, chinos go from basic to powerful. Let's fix that. Mistake number 1, wearing chinos too baggy. Loose thighs, wide legs, extra fabric everywhere. It might feel comfortable, but visually, it works against you. Baggy chinos remove your shape instantly. They blur your frame, soften your lines, and make your body look less defined. And after 50, that's the opposite of what you want, because now, shape tells presence. When your clothes lose structure, your presence weakens with them. Instead of looking relaxed, you look slightly unstructured, slightly heavier, slightly less put together. And it happens quietly. The fix is controlled fit. Go for a clean, straight, or slim straight cut. Not tight, not wide, just balanced. Your chinos should follow your natural line, giving you shape without restricting movement. When the fit is right, everything sharpens. Your legs look cleaner, your posture looks stronger, and your entire outfit feels more intentional. Because the goal isn't comfort alone, it's comfortable structure. Mistake number 2, going too tight. This is the other extreme and just as damaging. Chinos that are too tight cling to your legs, pull at the fabric, and highlight areas you don't want attention on. Every movement becomes visible. Every crease becomes tension. Instead of looking sharp, you look restricted. Instead of looking modern, you look uncomfortable. And that discomfort shows even if you don't feel it. After 50, style isn't about showing more. It's about controlling what you show. Tight chinos do the opposite. They overexpose, overemphasize, and break the clean lines your outfit needs. The fix is structured ease. You want room, but controlled room. Space through the thigh. Clean taper through the leg. No pulling, no clinging. When your chinos fit this way, everything changes. They move naturally. They sit cleanly. They look effortless. And that's the goal: not tight, not loose, just composed. Before we move on, I've got something pretty big to share with you. I've just launched my first 2 ebooks, and I'm not going to give everything away here. Once you read them, you'll understand exactly what I put together. You can get either one for just $6.99 through the link in the description and start reading right away. And for my special viewers, there's an offer. Buy 1 ebook and get the second one completely free. So if you're interested, check the link below and grab yours. Mistake number 3, wrong length. This is one of the biggest mistakes and one of the most visible. Too long, and your chinos bunch up at the ankle. Too short, and they look awkward, almost juvenile. Both instantly throw off your proportions. When fabric stacks at the bottom, it makes your legs look shorter and your outfit look sloppy. When they're too short, it breaks the clean line and feels unfinished. After 50, proportions matter more than ever, because clean lines are what create a sharp, controlled appearance. The fix is precision and length. Aim for a clean break or a slight no break. Your chinos should sit neatly on your shoes, not collapse over them, and not hover above them. When the length is right, everything aligns. Your legs look longer, your silhouette looks cleaner, and your entire outfit feels intentional. Because small details like this are what separate average from sharp. Mistake number 4, low-rise cuts. Low-rise chinos sit lower on your waist, and that's where the problem starts. They shorten your torso, shift your proportions, and create an unbalanced silhouette. Everything feels slightly off, even if you can't explain why. After 50, your goal isn't to follow trends, it's to create balance and structure. Low-rise cuts do the opposite. They make your midsection look heavier and your overall frame less defined. The fix is simple: go mid-rise. Chinos should sit naturally at your waist, not below it. This one adjustment does a lot. It improves posture. It lengthens your legs visually. It restores balance to your entire frame. And most importantly, it makes your outfit feel grounded, not awkward. Because when your proportions are right, everything else starts to look right too. Mistake number 5, cheap, thin fabric. At first glance, cheap chinos can look fine. Clean color, decent fit, no obvious issues. But give it a few hours and everything changes. The fabric starts to wrinkle. It loses shape. It clings in the wrong places. By midday, what looked sharp in the morning starts to look tired and slightly sloppy. And that's the problem. After 50, your style relies on consistency, not just how you look when you leave the house, but how you look throughout the day. Thin, low-quality fabric can't hold that standard. The fix is structure in fabric. Choose chinos made from thicker, structured cotton something with weight and durability. Fabric that holds its shape. Fabric that drapes cleanly. Fabric that stays sharp, not just at 9 a.m., but at 5 p.m. too. Because when your fabric is strong, your entire look stays strong with it. Mistake number 6, wearing the wrong colors. Color seems simple, but it's one of the fastest ways to get chinos wrong. Bright khaki, washed out beige, loud or random colors. They don't look fresh, they look dated. And after 50, that effect becomes stronger. The wrong color doesn't just affect your outfit, it affects how your entire presence is perceived. Some shades make you look dull. Others make your outfit feel unbalanced or slightly off. And most of the time, you won't even realize why. The fix is control and consistency. Stick to strong, timeless colors. When your colors are right, your chinos stop looking like just pants and start looking like part of a sharp, composed outfit. Mistake number 7, treating chinos like throw-on pants. This is where most men go wrong. They treat chinos like something easy, automatic, just something to throw on with whatever's nearby. Random t-shirt, old sneakers, no structure, no thought. And just like that, a good piece turns into an average outfit. Because chinos aren't the problem. The way you style them is. After 50, casual doesn't mean careless. It means controlled simplicity. The fix is intentional pairing. Chinos need clean, structured combinations. Wear nothing complicated, just deliberate. When you style chinos with purpose, they stop looking basic and start looking sharp, effortless, and put together. Mistake number 8, ignoring footwear balance. This is a subtle mistake, but it throws off your entire look instantly. Bulky shoes with slim chinos. Small, minimal shoes with wider chinos. Something feels off, even if you can't explain it. That's because your proportions aren't aligned. After 50, balance matters more than ever. Your outfit needs to flow from top to bottom, not fight itself. When your footwear doesn't match your chinos, it breaks that flow. And the result? You look slightly uncoordinated, slightly unfinished. The fix is alignment. Match your shoes to the shape of your chinos. Slim chinos clean. Minimal shoes, wider chinos, slightly heavier, structured footwear. Everything should feel connected. Because when your proportions are balanced, your entire outfit feels sharper without extra effort. Mistake number 9, overcomplicating the outfit. Too many colors, too many layers, too many ideas in one outfit. What feels like effort quickly turns into confusion. Nothing stands out because everything is competing. And that's the problem. Chinos are simple by nature, but when you overstyle them, you lose that strength. After 50, style isn't about adding more, it's about refining what's already there. The fix is clarity. Keep it clean. 2-3 colors max, simple combinations, minimal layers. Let each piece do its job. When you simplify, your outfit stops looking busy and starts looking sharp, controlled, and intentional. Mistake number 10, wrinkled or poorly maintained chinos. Even perfectly fitted chinos lose their impact the moment they look neglected. Wrinkles, creases, slight fading. It might seem minor, but it sends a clear signal you didn't pay attention. And after 50, those small details matter more than ever. You can have the right fit, the right color, the right shoes, but if your chinos look untidy, the entire outfit falls apart. It doesn't look relaxed, it looks careless. The fix is simple discipline. Keep your chinos clean, pressed, and well-maintained. No heavy wrinkles, no worn-out look, no good enough. Because when your chinos are sharp, your entire outfit feels sharper, and that small detail makes a big difference. What happens when you get it right, gentlemen? Chinos should be your easiest win after 50. They're clean, they're versatile, they're effortless. But here's the problem: most men are wearing them in a way that quietly makes them look older, heavier, and less sharp without even realizing it. Not because chinos are bad, but because they're worn wrong. The fit is off, the length is off, the way they're styled is off. And those small mistakes, they change everything. Let's fix that.